Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Zino in the building, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install ZinoVision Remastered in combination with VisualV. As you can see, this graphic modification is awesome. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to install this quickly. So before we do all that, I would love for y'all to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So take a good look. Without further ado, let's get started. So to make this all work, we're going to go ahead and visit a few sites to download the files we need. I will leave a link in the description towards my Discord server. There will be the links right here, but you can also just type them over as you see them on the screen right now. This will be in GTA graphics under the category links and resources. So we also have a installation service for anyone that is very lazy. But let's head back over to the links and let's go ahead and visit them and download them. So these are the links right here. I already clicked on them. Let's go ahead and download them. Exactly like how I am doing. There you go. There you go. This is going to be easy, quickly for you guys. So don't worry about that. We're going to get this up and running in a bit. There you go. Then this right here. Did it download? I think it did. Yes. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna click on this, download, and download again. That's it. So let's get our main directory file folder open and the files we just downloaded. Okay, on my left side we have our Grand Theft Auto main directory folders, and on the right side well, the files we just downloaded. I'm gonna use a clean installation, and let's start with the first site link that we opened up. Double click on it and hit continue, hit accept and continue again, and then it will download and install it. I already have it, so I don't need to show you that part. After that's installed, you're gonna go ahead and open it up by right clicking on it and run as administrator. So let's do that and let it load. Accept it, click on Windows, and then it's loading. Then you're going to click right here on the orange bar, set permissions, hit OK, close it up, go to Tools, Manager, hit install here, click yes for the folder, install this one also. You can close it and close this off also. Now let's go to the second link. That will be this one right here. Go to this folder, and within that folder select these two files and drag and drop it in the main directory folder. Let's go back. It's that easy. Let's go to the third link. That's going to be this, and we're going to select the files that I'm selecting, except these three, and we're going to drag and drop them in the main directory folder. There you go. Oh, let's go back, and where are we now? We're going to go to this one right here. Go to this folder. We're going to select these and we're going to drag and drop it right here. Not all of them. Not this one and not this one. Just drag and drop it like I do. There you go. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to this one right here. Double click on it and hit browse. Find your game. Find this one right here. Double click on it. Hit next. Next. Next, uncheck all, check all, hit next. It's gonna download and install everything, and almost done. Let's see. Hit finish. Then we're gonna unzip this, extract it. And let's do this one also right away. Extract it. And almost done, I guess. It's done. Let's open up this one, the first one we unzipped. Go to this folder right here, double click on it, And if you can double click on it, I'm going to show you right away how to open it anyways. Let's just wait till it loads up. And we're going to do the next one. Let's hit install and install again and install again to your mods folder like I just did. Maybe I went too fast, but you can just rewind. Okay, that's done. Did we need anything else here? I don't think so. No, we don't need any of these. Let's go back to the folder, and this will be the second one. And I'm going to show you the second method to install these types of files. Open up the software we downloaded and installed. Hit edit mode, hit yes. Drag and drop it right in here. Hit install, install to this folder right here. Hit OK and then confirm it again. It's that easy, folks. It is that easy. And after this, you will have an amazing experience within this game. So yeah, let's we're almost done. Be patient, be patient. Let's close it up. You can close this one up also. And we're gonna go to this right here. We're gonna select these two files and drag and drop them right there. Then we're gonna go to optional, and here we have a lot of options. This is one thing we need to do. Let's start with it, or let's start with the rest first. I'm not gonna use that much. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna use my resolution. You do yours. Double click on it or drag and drop it in this software right here. Click on install, install right here, confirm it, let it load up. And then I want also this one right here. Close it, double click on it. You may freely install whatever you want. I'm choosing the ones that I want. And hit install. Oh, this one will give brighter tail lights, so that's awesome. And what else would I want? I'm gonna go for this right here, and I'm gonna choose this folder because it's gonna add also more rain. Let's install it, and I think the last one I'll do is this right here. Awesome vehicle. Let it load up. Almost done. There you go. And then we're gonna go here. Okay. Install. Oh, oops. Almost the wrong one. Then I would have had to start all over. Trust me. Okay, let's go back. Then we have everything. We have this left, the most annoying part, because you don't have the file you need that's right here. It's not working anymore. Where is it? We're gonna select this one and this one, and we're gonna drag and drop it right here. Yes, and we're gonna replace it. So I've been busy with this for a while trying to figure it out because the file is not there. Then we're gonna go back to our downloaded sections. We're gonna double click on this again. Yes, we're gonna select the same file. We're gonna hit next, next again, make sure it's selected this like always. We're gonna modify it this time, hit next, and then it's gonna select automatically this right here, the preset. Hit next again. I guess, was it? I think so, yeah, it was. And then next again, and hit finish. And then I guess we are done. Yeah, let's start up the game. I'm curious. Oh yeah, before we do that, you might want to go here, right click on it, hit properties, click on this right here, and make sure you check this and click number 7, hit apply, and go down. It's gonna be this one, I think. Properties. Yeah, make sure you do the same. It won't be checked normally, which is necessary. Then we can start up the game. It's, by the way, totally normal that it starts up a bit slower because of these presets that we're using. It's because of reshade, especially because of that. And that's why we also had to change what we just did to Windows 7. Okay, let it load up, and then you're gonna see what I mean. It's gonna be black for a bit, which is totally fine. Don't worry about it. And here you see that it is working. If we didn't do that last part with the properties and the files, it wouldn't have not worked. And that's why it also takes a bit longer to start up. As you can see, it's still loading. And by the way, this is the first time it will load everything. So that's normal. So let's skip this part and head in the game. By the way, because of that preset, the scroll lock on your keyboard, as you just saw in the upper left corner, will be your reshade menu key. And as you can see, we also have the beautiful logo on the left down corner. And let's wait for it. Okay, a quick note on that on my side. I'm sorry about that, but I did forget these right here. So it's gonna be this, and this one. Just drag and drop it. I just tested out. I saw, I forgot that. So just drag and drop it like before, and then we're done. So let's open up the game and show you. So I saw this during the game. I was like, shit, I forgot it. Okay, as you can see, we are here, and this is how it looks like. Beautiful. Just look at everything. So we can modify things. The scroll lock button, like I said, you can add more to this if you want. Like for instance, this will change the colors, as you can see. So you can walk through this, and this is the preset of Natural Vision. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Shift plus enter will open up this menu. This is also activated already. If I hit on it, this will happen. So you see the difference. So if you want it dark, you can have it dark by turning off, not this one, not this one, not this one. Which one was it? Was it this one? No, it wasn't that one either. Oops. Which one? It was one of these. Or was it this one? Which one was it? I'm sorry, I don't remember. But what I wanted to show, first of all, let me just get rid of these. Hit Shift Enter again. Go all the way down. Vehicle. Then let me just do it. Yeah, this right here. So for instance, this one, no, this one, I can change it to 0.8, and then you'll get this. This one I can change to 2. No, this one's already like that.
So what's your next couple hours looking like?
Also, metallic amount, that one. You see? Glass, reflection. There you go. Chrome reflection. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me just. There you go. As you can see, that is awesome. Look at that reflection. And that's how you can play with a lot of things. So I don't understand why the others keep on doing that. Maybe because I'm in first person. But just look at that awesomeness. Just look at it. Look at the reflections. Well, you know, this is beautiful. But this is how I set it up. You can just do whatever you like. That's the awesome about this. So that's about it for this video, folks. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope I explained everything correctly. And if you have any tips for me or any feedback, leave them in the comment section. If you need any help, open up a support post at our Discord server. I want to thank everyone for watching, and goodbye.